Hey Cool Cat, welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about how to read the C major scale on an alto clef. On our bass clef, we had the middle C right over there. But alto clefs are really nice because middle C actually happens in the middle of the stave, so it's going to be actually right here. The really cool thing about alto clef is that many times this clef signature, this little two lines and the backwards three sign, sometimes it moves up and down. Sometimes we call it a tenor clef when it's a little bit higher, and I believe there's a different name when it's lower. Sometimes we see that in Baroque music or we see it in choir music. Many times we'll see this type of clef for a string instrument that we call the viola. So the nice thing is no matter where it is positioned on the staff, you can always remember that the middle point of this C shape is always going to bring you to that C note. So Cool Cat, do you remember what this note is named on a Midi piano or on an acoustic piano? I hope you do. If you don't, that's A-okay. The Midi piano is called C3, and the acoustic is C4. I never thought I'd have the opportunity to say this, but you can check out a past video to learn about the C3 and C4 stuff. I now have enough videos to be able to say that. Sometimes it's really fun to make a little puzzle for yourself by writing out different notes randomly on staves and trying to figure out what letter they are and what they sound like if you were to sing them. This is a great little fun technique you can do with kids or with your friends, or if you're just feeling a little bit bored and you have a sheet of paper with you, you can draw in some lines and put in a little dot. So let's play this game with figuring out what note this is. There's two ways to figure out this note. One is by memorizing every single line and every single space, and the other one is relativity. How far away is this note from that note, and can we count up to it? Today I'm going to teach you relativity. If we know this is a C, then we know that this note, one note afterwards, is going to be D. The next note is going to be E. The next note is going to be F. This note is going to be G, and that means that we know that this note has to be A. You can also find the name of this note by understanding the distance between these two notes. This C we call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We count every single note in the scale to get from one note to the next one. So we call this distance right here a sixth. This is what those notes would sound like on a piano. First, we know on a Midi piano like this, we have to find C3. So we're going to take C3, and now we're going to go a distance of a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's your distance. Okay, Cool Cat, I hope you learned something about music and about mental health. I hope you're able to apply this in your life whenever you're feeling stressed, anytime you're feeling overwhelmed, sad, depressed, anxious, at any moment, or just want to have a little bit of fun in the day. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. Bye.